Here's your opportunity to homeownership in the spacious tucked-away ranch/rambler that offers 1,372 square feet on main level. This home is an owner-occupied home with a spacious 1 to 2 person duplex in basement level. 3 bedrooms on level, offers a nice floor plan with big living room, eat-in kitchen with updated cabinets and main floor laundry. The basement level is a walkout and has floor plan that offers a full kitchen, 2 3/4 baths, 1 egress style window and opportunity for second egress for a second bedroom, and still offer a living room, office and craft room. Plenty of updates done over the years, as well as a double attached garage. Notable extras: energy efficient windows and roof replaced in 2016. Located on the end of 7th Avenue, surrounded by vacant land.